Hello everyone and welcome back to my page. Guys, on this video we are going to be making stew. Over here I have my tomatoes paste, my tatashe, my fresh tomatoes, onions and all other stuff mixed. As you guys can see, I've already blended it, just to save time. And over here I have some beef in there. I also have some fish, and over here is my chopped onions. So we are going ahead right away, to fry our tomatoes. To be adding some of mine. So I want that one to cook because this one is a little bit hard. So guys, I'm going to be adding my meat stock to it. So I'm going to allow it to cook for 3 minutes before adding my my beef to it. 3 minutes time I'm going to be adding my beef. So guys, I'm going to be adding my beef right away because the stew is done.